Hello everyone! Tonight I have a very beautiful quilt on my frame. It's a vintage rose by Quiltworks. And this one is gorgeous. It's red and gray and white fabrics used, and it looks amazing. I can't wait to have it finished. But tonight I wanted to share with you a little tips and trick how to make a false trapunto onto the quilt like this one or any other one. So first I wanted to show you how I prepared the shape that I will be tracing and quilting on this quilt. So you will need a piece of paper, fold it in half like that. Then you just take the scissors and start free motion carving, not quilting yet. So, oops, my machine is moving, I'm sorry. So you just start cutting the shape, and because it's folded in half, you will have a very symmetrical, nice shape in the end. You start cutting from here. Like let's make like a teardrop shape, and then we go back and do like a little vein with a circle on the end. We make a circle like this and cut it down to the very bottom. I want to make it elegant and looking nice, so I'm cutting out the center of this tear shape and make it sharp in the end. So it's almost like carving a snowflake, but it's just in half, not folded in fourth. So that's what I got. Yeah. And I didn't plan that, I didn't draw that, so you see that it's absolutely improvisation, and you can try and draw the shape first before you cut it out. So I made a few templates for this quilt. I'm going to use this one on dark red areas, and this more complicated looking one in the corners. And I have this little piece that I'm tracing with moving to different sides, looking in opposite directions. So let me show what I've already got. So this is a part that I've already finished, and I want to show you how it will look finally. So that's the corner where my machine just doesn't go. That's how it will look. You can see that because of the difference of the densities, the background is filled with a really dense quilting, like shell looking and little circles and curves and spirals. And this part is left unquilted. It's just a shape traced around and stitched around. So because of that difference of the densities, we get the effect that looks almost like trapunto. That's why it's called false trapunto. It's not a real one. We're not cutting away the extra layer of batting. We just use our regular set of battings. In my case here I have a cotton and Quilter's Dream wool on top. It's the difference in densities. That's the secret that helps you to create such an effect and beautiful look. So let's move to trying one. Here I have a shape already traced onto the fabric. I'm going to outline it with lower speed, not that fast, as I will go with filling. I have this tool that I love to use for curves. It's called Handy Versa Tool. It's from Handy Quilter. Okay, we start from here, from this point. I just put my tool and I can see that it almost the same shape as my curve in here, and we start outlining it. Okay, now we have this shape outlined, and I put my machine onto the high speed. I use like 35% speed, and I start filling with little stapling or filling, whatever design you choose, all the space around our shape. Let's go. Okay, and the secret of consistent and beautiful feeling isn't repeating the same shape over and over again. Like here you may see that I mostly use the spiral looking curves or the circles, and sometimes I throw in the shapes like this that looks like a shell. I'm sorry. So I quilt like a little feather looking element, and when it's surrounded with smaller and more consistent repeated shapes, it will stand out a little bit and it will look beautiful. Let's continue and finish this part. Then I will just spray the marker away and you will see the final result. And here we put the feathery looking swirl and continue with circle, circle and a circle, and the spiral, circle, echo, 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 circle, circle, spiral, circle, circle and a circle, and again, and one more, and echo, just continue filling these areas, and we go back adding a few echoes, and here just travel back, and let's add our feather looking swirl. Good. It's a cute one. Okay, and here I will stop because I will trace the next element in here. I just need to leave a little bit space. I'll just go down to show you what we got. I'll just cut the thread to show you. Okay, and let's spray away our marker. I'm using just clean water. Yeah, now we just need to let this dry and it will be beautiful. I hope this tutorial was useful for you tonight and you will repeat this technique on your quilts. Show me what you got. Show me some of your projects where you use this. I will be excited to see. Thank you for watching this and come back tomorrow for more tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.